Hey guys, what's up? It's Black Coffee here today with a new video. We'll be playing against Wolf for level 9 CPU. Let's get straight into this. Gosh, I hate Wolf. I don't understand the physics of this game, how he can hit underneath when he's going up. It makes no sense at all. Exactly, just like that. No. Hey, alright. This gun is way overpowered. The only reason why he's winning against me is because he's gone. Yeah, that's so stupid. He kicked the other way. Wow. And hits me. So it's dumb. Alright, well guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, subscribe, turn notifications on, and don't forget check out my Twitch, link in the description.